Hi everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we'll learn how to estimate the square root of a perfect square step by step. Let's get started. First, let's understand the meaning of the square root of a number. What is the square root of a number? A square root is a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives the original number. For example, the square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 is equal to 25. In this video, you will learn how to calculate the square root of a number using the estimation method. So, what is the estimation method for finding a square root? The estimation method is a way to find the square root of a number by using nearby perfect squares. This method is useful when you don't have a calculator and need to quickly estimate the square root of a number. How does it work? First, we need to know the perfect squares of numbers from 1 to 10. 1 squared means 1 times 1, and its value is 1. 2 squared means 2 times 2, and its value is 4. 3 squared means 3 times 3, and its value is 9. 4 squared means 4 times 4, and its value is 16. 5 squared means 5 times 5, and its value is 25. 6 squared means 6 times 6, and its value is 36. 7 squared means 7 times 7, and its value is 49. 8 squared means 8 times 8, and its value is 64. 9 squared means 9 times 9, and its value is 81. 10 squared means 10 times 10, and its value is 100. As you have noticed, the last digits of the square numbers shown are 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, and 0. We will use these to help us in finding the square roots of perfect squares. Okay, now let's look at the process of finding the square root of a perfect square. In this example, we need to calculate the square root of 625. To estimate this number, we separate it into two-digit groups from right to left. So 625 is separated into 25 and 6. Next, we find a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives 5 as the last digit. Based on the square numbers shown earlier, we know that 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Then we find a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives a value close to 6. The answer is 2 times 2 equals 4, which is the closest perfect square below 6. So, we can say that the square root of 625 is 25. To verify, multiply 25 by 25, which equals 625, confirming our answer. Okay, let's move to another example. In this example, we need to calculate the square root of 4096. First, we separate the number into two-digit groups, 96 and 40. Next, we find a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives 6 as the last digit. We have two options. 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Now we find a number that, when squared, is closest to 40. The answer is 6 times 6 equals 36, which is the closest perfect square below 40. So we have two choices such as 64 and 66. Let's test 64 times 64. The answer of 64 times 64 is 4096. Therefore, the square root of 4096 is 64. This method can be used for numbers with 4 digits or fewer. It is not suitable for numbers with 5 or more digits. For those, it is better to use the long division method. That's it. Keep practicing. If you need some problems to practice, please check the YouTube comments for the practice link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more math tips.